Ever feel like your brain is running nonstop, like there's a constant buzz of thoughts, worries, and to-do lists swirling around in your head? Maybe you're sitting at your desk trying to focus, but your mind keeps wandering, jumping from one concern to the next. Or perhaps you find yourself reaching for your phone, scrolling through endless notifications, even when you know you should be relaxing. Even when you're just sitting still, your mind can feel restless, unable to switch off. It's as if your thoughts have a life of their own, keeping you on edge and making it hard to truly unwind. You're not alone. Modern life bombards us with stress from every direction. The constant pressure to perform, the never-ending stream of information, and the demands of work and family can leave our minds feeling frazzled and exhausted. It's no wonder so many of us struggle to find peace and clarity in the chaos. But what if there was a way to quiet that internal noise and help your brain truly recharge? Imagine being able to pause, breathe, and let your mind settle, even in the midst of a busy day. What if you could tap into a sense of calm and focus that feels almost effortless? Enter Ashwagandha, an ancient Ayurvedic herb that's been used for thousands of years to support mental clarity and resilience. Today, it's gaining attention from scientists and wellness experts alike for its remarkable ability to restore balance to our overworked brains. Ashwagandha isn't just a trend, it's a time-tested remedy that's helping people all over the world find relief from the pressures of modern life. As a natural adaptogen, ashwagandha works with your body to manage stress at its core, not just mask the symptoms. It helps regulate your body's stress response, supporting your nervous system and promoting a sense of calm from within. Over time, it can help you feel more balanced, focused, and resilient, ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Let's explore how this time-tested botanical can help you find calm, clarity, and a healthier mind in today's chaotic world. Whether you're seeking better focus, deeper relaxation, or simply a way to feel more like yourself again, ashwagandha could be the ancient secret your modern mind has been searching for. Ashwagandha, also known by its scientific name Withania somnifera, is a small but mighty shrub that has been thriving for centuries in the arid soils of India and parts of Africa. Its name, Ashwagandha, comes from Sanskrit meaning smell of the horse, which refers both to the root's unique aroma and the traditional belief that it imparts the strength and vitality of a stallion. This humble plant, with its oval leaves and bright red berries, has quietly played a starring role in traditional medicine for thousands of years. In Ayurveda, the ancient healing system of India, ashwagandha is considered a rasayana, a rejuvenator that promotes longevity, vitality, and overall well-being. Healers have long turned to this herb to help restore energy, calm the mind, and support the body's natural healing processes. Whether brewed as a tea, ground into powder, or taken as a supplement, ashwagandha has been a trusted ally for those seeking balance in body and mind. The real magic of ashwagandha lies in its roots, which are packed with powerful compounds called withanolides. These natural chemicals are believed to be responsible for the herb's adaptogenic properties, meaning they help your body adapt to physical, emotional, and environmental stressors. By supporting the adrenal system and regulating stress hormones like cortisol, ashwagandha helps restore balance and harmony within. Unlike many modern remedies that offer a quick fix but little lasting change, ashwagandha works gently and holistically. It doesn't just mask symptoms, it supports your body's own resilience, helping you build a foundation of strength and calm from within. People who use ashwagandha often report feeling more centered, less anxious, and better able to cope with the ups and downs of daily life. Think of ashwagandha as a gentle thermostat for your stress response. When life heats up and stress levels rise, it nudges your system back toward equilibrium, helping you maintain a sense of calm and clarity. It's not about eliminating stress entirely, but about giving your body the tools it needs to respond in a balanced, healthy way. In today's fast-paced world, stress is almost impossible to avoid. But with ashwagandha, you may find that you're able to handle challenges without feeling overwhelmed or burnt out. It helps you stay grounded, even when life gets chaotic, so you can keep moving forward with confidence and ease. Imagine being the calm in the center of the storm, the person who remains steady and composed while the world rushes by. That's the gift ashwagandha can offer. A way to find your center, no matter what's happening around you. In a society that constantly pushes us off balance, this ancient herb helps us reconnect with our inner stability. By supporting your internal systems and helping you manage stress more effectively, ashwagandha frees up your energy for the things that truly matter, spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, and living life to the fullest. It's not just about surviving the day, but thriving, with a sense of vitality and joy that comes from within. To understand ashwagandha's power, meet cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. Cortisol is vital for survival, triggering your fight-or-flight response in emergencies. But today's chronic stress keeps cortisol levels high, leaving your brain in a constant state of alert. This overload disrupts memory, focus, and mood, and can even shrink the brain's decision-making center while amplifying anxiety. Our stress system, designed for short bursts, now runs non-stop, damaging our brains over time. High cortisol leads to brain fog, anxiety, and even depression. The result? We're left feeling scattered, reactive, and mentally drained. That's where ashwagandha steps in. Ashwagandha doesn't blunt cortisol like a sledgehammer. It restores balance within your stress response system. Clinical studies show daily ashwagandha can lower cortisol by up to 30%, creating real, measurable change. Its active compounds, with analytes, help recalibrate the brain's stress signals, making you less reactive to daily pressures. Think of it as turning down an oversensitive smoke alarm. Your body only reacts when it truly needs to. Lower cortisol means your brain can shift from survival mode to thriving mode. This is the foundation of ashwagandha's brain-boosting benefits. It's not about numbing stress, but building true resilience. Chronic stress keeps your brain's fear center on high alert, fueling anxiety and low mood. By lowering cortisol, ashwagandha helps quiet this neurological noise, promoting calm and emotional stability. Research shows it enhances GABA signaling, the brain's natural brake pedal, reducing anxiety and supporting relaxation. It also protects brain regions vital for mood and emotional control, countering the damage of chronic stress. The result? A more balanced, resilient emotional state. Ashwagandha doesn't erase life's problems, but it helps you face them with greater clarity and calm. It's the support your brain needs to stay steady, even when life gets turbulent. High cortisol sabotages sleep, leaving your mind restless and tired. Ashwagandha helps break this cycle by lowering evening cortisol and supporting your body's natural sleep rhythms. Users report falling asleep more easily and waking up refreshed, fueling better brain performance. With improved sleep and less stress, brain fog lifts and focus returns. Ashwagandha isn't a stimulant. It removes the barriers stress creates, letting your natural cognitive abilities shine. When you're calm and well-rested, learning and productivity come naturally. It's about restoring your brain's balance, not forcing it to work harder. Integrating ashwagandha into your daily routine can be both simple and rewarding. Whether you prefer the convenience of capsules or tablets, or enjoy the ritual of preparing a supplement, there are many ways to make ashwagandha a seamless part of your lifestyle. For those who like a quick start to their day, taking ashwagandha with your morning water or alongside breakfast is an easy habit to build. If you prefer a more personalized approach, try mixing ashwagandha powder into your favorite smoothie, blending it with warm milk, or even stirring it into herbal tea. Measuring your dose carefully, starting with a low amount, such as 300-500 milligrams of standardized root extract, allows your body to adjust gradually. You can keep a journal to track your dosage and how you feel each day, helping you find the optimal amount for your needs. Consistency is essential. Ashwagandha's benefits accumulate over time, so make it a daily ritual rather than a quick fix. Some people find that taking ashwagandha in the morning helps promote a sense of calm and focus throughout the day, while others prefer an evening dose to support restful sleep and relaxation. Experiment with timing to discover what best supports your energy and mood. You might even split your dose, half in the morning, half at night, to see what feels right for your body. The quality of your supplement is just as important as the routine itself. Look for products made from the root of the ashwagandha plant, and check that they are standardized for withanolides, the active compounds responsible for many of its benefits. Always choose reputable brands that offer third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. Take time to read labels, compare ingredients, and research companies before making a purchase. Remember, everyone's body is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. Be patient and open to adjusting your approach as you learn what suits you best. Think of incorporating ashwagandha like nurturing a plant. With steady, mindful care, you'll see lasting results. Make it a conscious, enjoyable part of your wellness journey, and let it support your path to balance and vitality. While ashwagandha is promising, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. It may interact with certain medications or conditions and isn't recommended for everyone, especially pregnant or breastfeeding women. Listen to your body and monitor how you feel as you begin. If you notice any adverse effects, stop and seek medical advice. Your health journey is unique. Empower yourself with knowledge and professional guidance. Use ancient wisdom wisely, always prioritizing your safety and well-being. In our quest for productivity, we often lose touch with our body's natural rhythms. Ashwagandha isn't a magic bullet, but a tool to help restore balance and resilience. True wellness is holistic. Supplements, nutrition, movement, sleep, and mindfulness all play a role. Stay curious, ask questions, and seek credible information as you explore natural health. Share what you learn. Together, we can build a calmer, more balanced world. Reconnect with the wisdom of nature and empower yourself to thrive. Thanks for joining us on this journey to a healthier mind.